In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit cash on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add money to your Wise balance using the app, what each screen means, and a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, open the Wise app on your phone. If you have multiple accounts or balances, make sure you're signed into the correct one you want to fund. From the main screen, head to the Home tab. This is your dashboard where you can see your balances and recent activity. We'll start the process right from here. Next, tap Add Money. This is where you choose how much you want to put into your Wise balance, enter the amount carefully, and double check the currency at the top of the screen so you're funding the right balance. If you plan to spend in a particular currency soon, it can help to add money directly to that currency to avoid extra conversion later. When you're happy with the amount, tap Continue. On the next screen, you may see a confirmation or a short summary of how you're adding funds. Tap Continue again to move forward. Don't worry if this feels repetitive. Wise often uses a second continue to confirm you've reviewed the amount and funding details. You'll now see a screen with bank transfer details. This includes the account number, sort code or routing number, the account name, and a unique payment reference. Tap to copy the details. This step is crucial. The reference is how Wise matches your transfer to your account, so make sure it's copied exactly as shown. You'll use these details to send the money from your own bank, and the information may differ depending on your country and currency. Once you've sent the transfer from your bank using the exact details and reference, return to the Wise app and tap I've made my bank transfer. This tells Wise to look out for the incoming payment. Transfer times vary by bank and country. Some arrive within minutes, while others can take a business day or two. If it takes longer, check that you use the correct reference and sent the payment from an account in your name, as mismatched names or missing references can cause delays. That's it. Open the Wise app, go to Home, choose Add Money, enter your amount, hit Continue twice to confirm, copy your bank transfer details, and when you've sent the money from your bank, tap I've made my bank transfer. Keep the app open for updates and you'll see your balance refresh as soon as the funds arrive.